Hello guys and welcome back to Heloanfa. So today I'm going to show you how to insert a picture into your Word document. To add picture, go to the top menu and click on the insert tab. Click here. Then click on pictures and choose this device if your picture is saved on your computer. Okay. Find the picture you want and then click on it and then click insert. Now the picture will appear in your document. You can make it bigger or smaller by dragging the corner. Okay. You can also move it around by clicking and dragging the picture. By doing this, click on the image and then right click. Go to wrap text and then go to true. So now you can move it around. Okay. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe these channels and see you in the next video.